Tuple patterns are a form of pattern matching where you match tuples. This is a basic AND function. As you can see, this is a basic add function. It takes a pair, which is a tuple, and it returns an integer. It matches the tuple with 2 items in. It then uses that to decompose x and y into individual variables, which it can then use in the operation. It takes 2 integers as a pair and adds them. List patterns are the same. With head, you can match a list. You can say, okay, head is a function which takes the first item from a list. So it takes a list of anything and it returns 1 item for that, which is the first item. With the first pattern, you match a non-empty list. As long as it is non-empty, then it will always have a first item. When you match head of an empty list, that should return an empty list. When you have head of an empty list, that should return nothing. Tail is very similar. If we try that now and we do run of that, we get hello. We change this to goodbye, we get goodbye. And if we now pass it an empty list, we get nothing. Tail is very similar, but unlike matching the first item, it matches the rest of the list. So the tail of the rest of the list is just the rest of the list. So when the list is empty, you return the empty list. Now, if we pass it the empty list, we get nothing, which is the empty list.